In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your WhatsApp number to your Google Ads campaigns, a process that takes about 5 minutes. Adding a WhatsApp number to your campaigns can enhance customer interaction and foster more personalized communication, making it a valuable addition to your marketing strategy. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and heading over to Google Ads. If you're not familiar, Google Ads is an online advertising platform developed by Google where advertisers can bid to display brief advertisements, service offerings, product listings, or videos to web users. Once you're on the Google Ads homepage, the next thing you'll want to do is find the sign in button. It's usually located at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it to log into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll assume you already have one. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your Google Ads home. This is your main dashboard where you can access all your campaigns and settings. Look around to familiarize yourself, and when you're ready, look for the campaign section. This is where you'll manage your ad campaigns and make any necessary adjustments. Next, click on the campaign tab, which will bring you to an overview of your current campaigns. From here, you want to create a new asset for your campaign. What exactly is an asset? Well, in Google Ads, an asset refers to various elements that can be used in your ad campaigns, from images to information snippets, and in our case, contact numbers. To create a new asset, you'll find a button labeled Create Asset. Give this a click and you'll be prompted with several options. For our purpose today, select the App option. This will allow you to add your WhatsApp number, thereby linking it to your ad campaigns and enabling direct communication through WhatsApp with your audience. That's it. You've successfully added your WhatsApp number to your Google Ads campaign. By doing this, you're opening up a new avenue for potential customers to reach out, ask questions, and engage with your business directly. Not only does this strengthen your marketing efforts, but it also enhances customer service by providing a personal touchpoint for interaction. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and are excited to try this out in your campaigns. Don't forget that effective communication can significantly boost your business's ability to connect and build relationships with customers. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.